and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Jay Castro. Anyway, welcome. Today I decided to just do a tutorial. I haven't done one of those in a while. I usually add a tutorial in like my videos when I'm reviewing something, but I figured I would just sit down with you, do a tutorial, no reviews, anything like that. I really like the way that this look turned out. I didn't really have anything in mind when I sat down, and I don't know, it kind of gives me like sunflower vibes, so I'm into it. Summer's coming, so I really do like this. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see me create this look. Then please continue watching. First, we're going to start with prepping the face, and I'm going to be using the MAC Prep and Prime Skin Base. Next, we're going to move on to brows, and today I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in medium brown. I'm just going to clean up the brow with a detailing brush and using some concealer, and this is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Glow Concealer in Classic Ivory. And we're just going to move on to foundation. I'm going to be taking the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte in shade 102, which is Shell Beige. Next, we're just going to take the concealer that we use to clean up the eyebrows as a base for our eyeshadow. So next we're going to move on to the eyes. I'm going to take the Morphe and James Charles palette. With a Morphe M576 brush, I'm going to go into B. With a Morphe R40 brush, I'm going to go into Rusted. With a Luxie 205 tapered blending brush, I'm going to go into 10% off. With a Luxie 237 blending brush, I'm going to go into No Beans and Benny. I'm just going to take that same concealer again and carve out the lid. With the Morphe Y18 brush, I'm going to go back into B. Taking the Luxie 237 blending brush, I'm going to go back into No Beans and Benny and blend that into the yellow. So we're just going to move on to the face before we finish off the eyes. So I'm going to take that same concealer that I've been using, the Infallible Pro Glow Concealer in Classic Ivory. And then I'm taking the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in Swan. just going to set that using the Too Faced Peach Perfect Mattifying Loose Setting Powder. So I made sure to keep the setting powder only on places that I wanted to set because I'm not quite done using liquid products, or cream products, sorry. While this sets, I'm going to move on to bronzing and contouring the face. So I'm actually going to be using the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Mocha. I never apply this directly to the skin because it does create a very harsh line. So what I do, I take a brush, I swirl it around, and then I apply it to the face. So right now I'm using the Morphe R14 brush to do that. I'm just taking a Morphe M401 brush, and this is just a fluffy brush, and I use this to just swipe off all of the excess powder. Next, I'm just going to set the cream by just bronzing the face. So I'm taking the Benefit Hoola bronzer and a Morphe R17 brush. So now I can finish off with the eyes. I actually do not want to apply a wing liner today. It's just going to be mascara and falsies, and then we're going to finish off with the bottom lash line. So for mascara, I'm taking the Butter London Double Decker Lashes. So before we apply lashes, I want to move on to the bottom lash line. So once again, we're going to go into B. We're going to go into 10% off. So then we're going to jump into No Beans and Benny. So next we're moving on to the waterline. And I'm actually going to go into the NYX Vivid Brights Cream Color in Light Show. And this is a very nice golden shade. And I'm actually going to take the Veramona packing brush and go back into B. So I'm just going to take the Everlash Co. lashes in Cleopatra. Sweet! So my lash is on, and I just need mascara for the bottom lashes. And today I'm using the Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Luscious Full Fan Effect Waterproof Mascara. So all that's left is blush, highlight, and lipstick. So we're gonna move on to blush. Next I'm using the Alamar Cosmetics Colorete Blush Trio, and I'm gonna go into the lightest shade, which is Seclusion. Next we're going to highlight, and today we're using the Desi and Katy collaboration with Dose of Colors, and the highlight we're using is Fuego. Lastly, we have our lips left. So right now I'm going to be using the Maybelline Shaping Lip Liner in 115, which is totally toffee. And next we are using the Dose of Colors Desi and Katy collection yet again, in the shade Aftermath. I was going to add some gloss, but you know, I'm okay with this. Last, we're just going to set the face. To set the face, we're using the NYX Dewy Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. Alright guys, that completes my tutorial. This sort of gives me like sunflower vibes. I really like the way it turned out. I hope you guys do too. Please don't forget to comment on this video, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. Please write in the comment section what you would like to see next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. With the Luxie 205 tapered, using the Too Faced Peach Perfect. I'm going to be moving on to finishing the face, sort of, no. While this, I'm taking the Butter London Double Dug, and then we're gonna go into, and I'm gonna go into the lightest shade. Start stuttering.